So this is my current setup, and it's okay, but it's a mess. There's wires everywhere. It's not clean. And today, we're gonna try and fix that, and we're gonna see how it goes from this to this. I might not actually put that transition in, so let's just go. Anyway, so first things first. So, thing causing a lot of mess, and what you can't really see maybe on here is this monitor. Now, it's too far forward, and we need that to change. So let's go. Now, what you didn't see earlier is this is something I already did earlier. It's like one of those, it's like one of the old TV shows. So I had my wife, who obviously didn't want to help, coming out with this. And we went, bang. This comes right off this monitor, just a bit of a tug, bang. Now what this does is this gives so much extra space and freedom. If you can see that, this now goes from taking up half the desk to being pushed right back. Now, let's get our computers off here. This is the Samsung Q2U. I might do a little review on it. I've had it for a while. I like it. Both USB and XLR, but it's coming in the way. So we're taking that off.
And we'll take this off.
Oh, you might have heard that one. That's a good cut. Right, so still have a lot of wires on it. Just with the arm on, this is looking so much better. Like a clean desk, you can barely see a wire. Yeah? Right, but we're not done. Let's just turn this off since we don't need it. So another thing I bought was this little beauty. Now, what this does, it's a little spacer holder for your laptops. It's got a little Allen keys in the back there so you can extend it, make it shorter. I'm only using it for one right now. Now what you do is put this on your desk, and if you see, we go from a laptop, even if it's not being used, taking up this much space, to now, voila, tiny little thing in the little corner there, and that's it. Now, the only thing is you have to obviously be aware of obviously cooling and where exactly you place it, because you gotta have a power cord and a HDMI because you're gonna go into your monitor. Thankfully, there's two ways that you can do this, or I can do this. You can do it either up like this, or which takes up even less space, which I think I might do, is like this. All right, bang, that's it. So that's coming obviously through that monitor right there. This you can leave open, you can open it even more if you extend it. I love this little thing, it's such a space saver. So obviously you can put it however you like to put it, like that, like that. I like it as much. I want it to have as much as, well, as little real estate on the desk as possible. That's my goal. And that's how we have it, like that. There you go. That's out in the corner. It's open. There's still space for the vents right there. You still have access to some ports here. There's ports here. If you need, you can turn it around. You have ports on the other side. You orientate it how you want. You can have it up or down like that. I like it like that. So that's it. So clean desk, clean setup. Last thing that you will need is a mouse mat. I've gone for a big mouse mat. I've got this again on Amazon, and I will link it. And then this is for work. You don't need it. If you're gaming, you would want wired, obviously. Best. This is work. Voila. And then you know, wow. And that's it. The clean, no wired setup.